안녕하세요 여러분. 잘 지냈어요? Do you know what Korea is called in Korean? It's not Korea. It's 한국. 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 Then what is India called in Korean? India also has a different name in Korean, which is Indo. Indo. 영국. 영국. Then Thailand. 태국. 태국. China, 중국, 중국. Japan, 일본, 일본. Now, how do we find nationalities? That is, the person of that country. For example, we are Indians. So, how do we say Indian? Indian person. So, person in Korean is 사람, 사람. So, if I want to say Indian person or Indian, then I'll say Indo Saram. Indo is India and Saram is person. Indo Saram means Indian. Then how will we say Korean person? Can you think of it? Korean person is Hanguk Saram, means Korean person. Hanguk Saram. Then how do we say English person? That is a person who lives in England. Then how do we say that? 영국 사람. 영국 사람. American? 미국 사람. 미국 사람. Japanese person? 일본 사람. 일본 사람. Chinese person? 중국 사람. 중국 사람. Then, how do we say languages in Korean? How do we say Korean language in Korean? That also has a different name. Since Korea has a different name, so Korean also has a different name. So, Korean is 한국어. 한국어 means Korean language. So there's a trick for this. Whenever we say the country name, we just add O in front of it. O. As you can see, this letter, O, that is a vowel. So when you add O to any country name, it becomes the language of that country. Like Hanguk is Korea, and you add O to it, it becomes Korean language. Then if I want to say Japanese language, how will I say that? 일본어, 일본어. Chinese language, 중국어, 중국어. Then, if I want to say English, how will I say that? 영국 is England, right? You add O to it, 영국어, 영국어 becomes English. But Hindi is not Indo-o because it becomes Indian, and our language is not Indian, right? Our language is Hindi. So, Hindi remains the same, that is Hindi. But other languages that are derived from the country name, there we add O, so it becomes the language name. Similarly, if I want to say Korean food, then I'll say 한국 음식. If I want to say Korean music, I will say Korean 음악. If I want to say Korean drama, I will say 한국 드라마. So I just say 한국 and keep adding other words to it, but not 한국어. 감사합니다 여러분. 안녕. I hope you understood this lesson, and please subscribe to my channel if you like my content. 감사합니다.